Good morning, Hornets. It's the start of a new week here at VCHS. We're your host, Mason.
And I'm Elisha. Let's start off with today's lunch. Today we have cheesy chicken and pasta, sweet red peppers, garlic bread, broccoli, peaches, and a cold milk.
Why don't we take a look at today's holidays?
Now, let's take a quick glance at your top 5 news stories of the day with Ian.
Hi, my name's Ian, and here are your top 5 news stories for the day. Number 1, the months-long rider strike has come to an end. Number 2, Hyundai and Kia recall 3.4 million vehicles over risk of fire. Number 3, the FTC and 17 states file antitrust lawsuit against Amazon. Number 4, Shrek's Swamp is now an Airbnb in Scotland. Number 5, VCHS Pep Club kicks off Fall Homecoming Week.
Next, here's Monday's Word of the Day.
This week's word of the week is juncture, a particular point in events or time.
Hornets, be sure to go to the sub-varsity football game against Salina Central tonight.
Hornets, remember, homecoming is coming up on October 7th. It will take place here at the high school. Doors open at 6:45 and the dance ends at 10 p.m. Make sure to buy your tickets at mysschooldance.com for $7 by Wednesday, October 4th.
Freshmen, your pre-ACT is coming up on Tuesday, October 3rd. Remember to bring a pencil, a calculator, and your student ID.
Hornets, if you are interested in applying for National Honor Society, please attend an informational meeting during advising on October 4th in Miss Layton's room, C43.
Hornets, remember tomorrow for Spirit Week, we have Dress Like a Teacher Day.
Now, here's This or That with Cameron.
I'm here with
Riley.
KU or K-State.
K-State.
I'm here with
Somi.
and KU or K-State.
K-State.
I'm here with
Sam.
and KU or K-State.
K-State, obviously.
Next up, here's a Lunchroom PSA with London.
Hi, this is London Wilson, and here's your Lunchroom PSA. As you can see here, all the lunch tables look very clean before lunch. Please try to make them look just as good after lunch so our janitors don't have to do a bunch of extra work. And we have trash cans along a wall as well as near the auxiliary gym for you to throw away your trash. Please put your trays back where you found them and just keep the school clean.
Here's Senior Advice with Jeff.
You ready?
I'm here with.
Ryder Tucker.
And what's your senior advice?
Get a motorcycle.
All right, thank you.
Have a motorcycle.
All right, I'm here with.
Reed Bowen.
And what's your senior advice?
Show up to school, get your work done, and don't piss off teachers.
All right, thank you. Yeah. All right, I'm here with.
Enrique.
And what's your senior advice?
My senior advice is always show up to class on time.
All right, thank you.
You ready?
Here's Macy with this week's STUCCO Corner.
My name's Macy, and this is your Student Council Weekly Update. Tonight, we have JV and varsity girls tennis, varsity girls golf, and freshman and JV football at home versus Salina Central. Tomorrow, all freshmen will be taking the pre-ACT. We have varsity and JV soccer at home versus Goddard, and varsity and JV volleyball at 5 and 7 at home versus Andover and Salina Central. On Thursday, we have C-team volleyball at home, varsity and JV soccer at home versus Salina Central. On Friday, we have varsity football that starts at 7 p.m. at home versus Andover. This is homecoming night, and our theme for this game is going to be Neon Night. On Saturday, we have varsity girls tennis, varsity and JV volleyball, varsity and JV cross country, and our fall homecoming dance, which will take place from 7 to 10 p.m. here at the high school.
It grinds my gears when people eat with their mouth open.
Dude, I can't stand it. Let's see what some people have to say about that.
My name is Lily Salcedo, and what grinds my gears is when people chew very loudly, especially with their mouth open.
I'm Christina Stucker, and my pet peeve is when people will randomly just start smacking food when you're eating in class.
Hey, my name is Jack Smith, and what's grinding my gears is when people park like just terribly in the parking lot. You know, you try to leave and you just can't because they're like super close to your door and you can't get in your own car.
My name is Mackenzie Turner, and what really grinds my gears is when people are like screaming at somebody and they're literally right next to each other.
Next, it's What's in the Box with Braden.
Hi, I'm Braden Kinsinger, and today we're going to do What's in the Box with some pink slime. Hi, I'm here with
Adler Andrew Kim.
Guess what's in the box?
This is my blind reaction. What is this, bro? What is this? I would have to say it is some slime.
It's some slime. I'm here with
Alec Winslow.
Guess what's in the box?
Guess. Go in there.
Put your hands in the box.
Slime.
Yeah. I'm here with
Javier.
Guess what's in the box?
I don't know. Wait.
What the?
Oh, it's slime.
Oh, yeah.
And here's Cheyenne with today's weather.
I'm Cheyenne Jones. Today's high is going to be 93 and tonight's low is going to be 68.
Now for a quick blast of the past. Let's wrap up with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.